I'm showing off these super fun and flattering DeBayalong women's high-waist yoga pants. I want to thank DeBayalong for sending them over to me now. If you're on the hunt for leggings that are not only functional but also totally stylish, you're going to love these. I'm wearing a size large in the tie-dye gray style, but they come in a rainbow of colors to match your vibe. These leggings are made from buttery soft fabric, 90% polyamide and 10% elastane, that feels amazing against the skin. The material is naturally breathable, super soft, non-see-through, and durable, making them perfect for both your toughest workouts and your chill days. What I adore about these leggings is the 4-way stretch fabric. They offer the coverage and support you need, whether you're hitting a high-intensity workout or just running errands. And don't worry about them rolling up or slipping down. These babies stay put. Now let's talk about the scrunch but lift. Yep, these leggings do wonders for your curves, especially in the booty department. The ruche design really highlights your hips, giving you that natural, lifted look, like a juicy peach, as they say. It's not just about looking good though, it's about feeling confident in your own skin. The unique tie-dye pattern is another major win. It's fresh, lively, and just plain fun. Plus, with so many colors to choose from, you're bound to find the perfect pair to show off your personal style. And can we talk about that high waist and tummy control? The waistband on these leggings gives you a great compression, smoothing and contouring your curves without feeling tight. It's like a hug for your midsection, whether you're doing yoga, running, cycling, or just hanging out at home. These leggings have got you covered. They're versatile enough to go from the gym to the streets, and trust me, they're a must-have in your wardrobe.